How to control recoil in Rainbow Six Siege. Welcome to the channel and let's start with a tutorial. To control your recoil, you will actually need a lot of practice, and yes, it will depend on your hand movement. So all you have to do is you actually have to just pull down the mouse right after you shoot. And it also depends upon your mouse sensitivity setting on your Rainbow Six Siege. However, if you do not have a good hand control, you will not be able to master the recoil technique. So make sure that you practice the pull down method while you are playing your Rainbow Six Siege. And also make sure that the mouse sensitivity on your Rainbow Six Siege has a particular setting for you. We recommend you to set your DPI at anything between 400 and 1600, coupled with a reasonable in-game sensitivity. What works for you is going to be personal, but 80% of the gamers have the sensitivity of 28 or lower. Yes, for quick reflex and quick recoil control, you actually have to lower your mouse sensitivity. Once you do this, also you need to practice with it because you do not want to mess it up, as it will affect your gameplay and your road to plat as well. So make sure to go ahead and do the necessary settings that I mentioned and also practice your hand movements. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.